Back again on the magz channel. Don't forget to turn on notifications for our latest videos. Of course, don't forget to share this channel and subscribe. Now you still like to confuse the problem of managing your finances. Want to buy something, but money is suddenly used up. Want a vacation, the budget is suddenly lacking. The point is from how to save your money. Here are the tips. Sure, here are 5 tips for saving money. First, create a budget. The first step towards saving money is to have a clear understanding of your income and expenses. Once you have a budget, you can identify areas where you can cut back and save money. Second, cut back on unnecessary expenses. Once you have a budget, identify areas where you can cut back on expenses. For example, you can cut back on eating out, entertainment, and unnecessary subscriptions. Look for cheaper alternatives or free activities that you can do instead. Third, set financial goals. Setting financial goals can motivate you to save money. Whether it's saving for a down payment on a house, paying off debt, or building an emergency fund, having a clear goal in mind can help you stay focused and motivated. Fourth, automate your savings. Automating your savings can make it easier to save money. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a savings account on a regular basis. This way, you won't have to manually transfer money every month, and you'll be less likely to spend it. 5. Use cashback apps and coupons. Cashback apps and coupons can help you save money on your purchases. There are many apps available that offer cashback on purchases at certain stores, and you can also find coupons for discounts on products you regularly use. By using these apps and coupons, you can save money on everyday purchases. Good luck trying the tips. I hope you are always healthy and getting richer. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this channel.